How's everybody doing today? Thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is Stephen Croft. I'm a co-founder at Hackinon's Code School for Kids and huge tech nerd. I've built so many PCs and that's what we're doing today. I'm building my own and I've already done quite a bit. So I have the CPU cooler, CPU, RAM, M.2 NVMe SSD installed on the motherboard and the motherboard is in the case. It's time to put in this big old chunky boy right here. This is the GPU, this is the graphics card, and it's super easy to install. The first thing that I did is I removed these two brackets right here. These two brackets are actually going to line up with the GPU as I insert it. The next thing that I went ahead and determined is which PCIe slot is best for this card. Well, it's a big, huge card. It's gonna need lots of bandwidth, so it is going in the 16X slot. That's this one right here. Typically on the motherboard, they're the ones coated either in metal or some sort of different colored paint to denote that they're 16X. It's also printed directly on the motherboard. Let's go ahead and slot it in. So I have removed the plastic piece off of the PCB there. I have the ports for my input, for my output facing out towards the edge of the case where it'll stick out there. I left the little plastic spacers in there to make sure it stays protected as I wiggle it in. I have pushed this back lever down. That's actually gonna lock over this little plastic piece here, and let's just slide it in. All right, it's in there. Now I just need to push down to click it in place. All right, with graphics cards, they're big and heavy. They're big old cards. So you wanna make sure you reinstall the screws that came with those shields that you removed back into the case to keep the graphics card in its spots. And I'm just going to screw it in nice and tight. This is metal on metal, so you can't go too tight, but again, it's not going in the back of a monster truck. You can just get it relatively tight. Now you have your graphics card installed. Let me know in the comments, which graphics card would you go with if you had an unlimited budget? Subscribe to the channel so you can see the power supply go in next, and like the video, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. We'll see you in the next one.